Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel App Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to deactivate your Messenger. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app and sign in. Now, at the top left corner, you can see three-dot menu. Tap on it, then select Settings. Under Settings, all you have to do is scroll down and find that Meta option where there's Personal Details and Password and Security option. Tap on that, then go to Personal Details. Under Personal Details, you can see Account Ownership and Control at the end. Tap on it, then select Deactivation or Deletion. There you have to select your Facebook. Then you have to tap on Deactivate Account and continue. Now, all you have to do is give your password and tap on Continue. They're gonna give you options while you are deactivating your Facebook/Messenger. I'm gonna select this as temporary. I'll be back and continue. Now you can see on your screen there's information about deactivating your Facebook/Messenger. Make sure you read that and select Continue. Now, again on your screen, there's more information on the Messenger option. You can see you can choose to continue using your main profile's Messenger. If you want to deactivate Messenger, don't tick on that box and select Deactivate My Account. It might take a few seconds. And guys, that's it. That's how you deactivate your Messenger on your phone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.